So hi guys, this is Karthik. This is going to be a special video for the channel because in this video I won't be teaching you any educational content. This is not going to be related to algorithms or competitive programming. This particular video I'll be sharing you my the visions I have for this channel, and I'll also be sharing you my favorite pastime that I had during these lockdown days. I'll be sharing some of my clips from that particular pastime. You will definitely enjoy it. I hope that you enjoy it. And yeah, so first, apart from that, thank you guys for the 1K subs. More than that, what I enjoyed is that the feedback that I've got, that it is great. I have received a lot of love from people. They have said that the content has helped them very much, and this is something that honestly motivates me to not just make some of the videos or become a YouTuber for a short time, but this is something that has motivated me, that I'm thinking of continuing this particular thing for a very long time. And hopefully I'll be making the same video for saying, okay guys, thank you for 10K subs, thank you for 100K subs, thank you guys, we crossed PewDiePie. I know that will not happen. Don't tell me in comments, Karthik, that is not possible. But yeah, so I'll be sharing some of the clips from my favorite game, and at the same time I'll be sharing my visions for this channel, and hopefully you will be enjoying it. So stay connected till the end, and if you like the video, you can wish me a happy birthday in comments. A good birthday present could be a subscription, and you can share this channel with your friends. So I'll get started with the clips from my favorite game. So of course the game is going to be Counter-Strike. I totally love this game, and now I'll be sharing my visions for this channel, and also we'll have some fun watching my highlights, and it will be short video because these are my highlights. Moreover, please don't try to ask me my rank or guess it. I know I don't play it that well, and I'm sure you played better. And this is my favorite highlight, killing this guy. I totally loved killing him. Anyway, so about my visions for this channel, guys, I have the following visions. First, I want to make sure that the people who follow my content and watch my channel, they become better problem solvers. I would like to teach people algorithmic thinking, and not just for computer science and interviews or stuff. I would like to make sure that people think logically and approach problems in a logical manner, so they become better problem solvers in general. That is my aim. So that will be the first and the foremost goal for my channel. The goal number 2 is going to be that I want to make sure that the channel has sufficient resources for DSA, so that people who are wishing to crack product-based coding interviews at product-based companies, whatever be their dream, they can come to this channel, they can prepare for coding interviews, and I want to make sure that the resources are more than sufficient for doing that. So that is going to be my number 2 goal. And I know there are a lot of other resources out there. There are paid courses asking for some like about 20K, 30K. There are post-paid models asking for 2-3 lakh. I will make sure that my content is at least that good, and I will try to make sure that I will also try that it is superior to the quality being offered by the paid courses. So that will be my number 2 goal, to make sure that sufficient resources for coding interviews is available here. My next goal would be that I want to make sure that not just coding interviews, people should go beyond that. So I'll be providing resources not just for that, but the problems here will be non-trivial, and I will be aiming for, let's say, competitive programming as well. So I will make sure that people who are following this will become at least good enough to solve problems of the level diff to E. I will try to go beyond that, but for diff to E, I am sure that I'm going to make enough content so that people will become confident about solving diff problems till the difficulty of diff to E. So number 3 goal would be that prepare some good resources for competitive programming. And finally, my 4th goal would be that I would like to bring people here. Not just bring people here, I would like to share my own interview experiences, my journey of competitive programming, other things like here I'm sharing my favorite hobby. And I would also bring people who are working at some good companies like Google, Microsoft, LinkedIn, etc. And I'll bring my friends, and they will be sharing their own interview experiences here, so that might help you. And they will be sharing their work life and some other interesting aspects of all this. So I think those will also be helpful, and I'll ask them to share why did they choose to go for a high paying engineering job instead of becoming an unpaid YouTuber like me. So hopefully you guys will really like this channel. Make sure that you subscribe and share it with your friends. So that's it guys, thank you.